A critical CICD pipeline fails at 2 a.m. Instead of paging an on-call engineer to parse the stack trace, the system reads the error, generates a patch, verifies the fix against the test suite, and merges the code. Current AI developer tools typically reach a strict operational plateau at autocomplete. They function as passive token predictors, confined to suggesting syntax within a single open file. Software engineering requires editing multiple interconnected files, maintaining persistent state, and actively executing code to verify functionality. Kilo, an open-source platform forked from open code, is engineered specifically for this active, multi-file execution model. The terminal state of this architecture is a single flag, Kilo run-auto, designed for headless environments. When triggered in a trusted environment, this command disables all manual permission prompts. The agent independently reads a failing test suite and executes corrections. This side-by-side flowchart illustrates the architectural difference. Standard assistants follow a linear path, requiring constant human prompting. Kilo operates on a closed loop, executing tasks, evaluating terminal results, and autonomously correcting errors. By isolating this terminal evaluation node, the agent tests its own assumptions. To understand how a machine achieves this level of agency, we must deconstruct the interface layers, routing logic, and tool protocols operating beneath the surface. Utility in AI tooling relies on architectural autonomy and environmental context, rather than the raw speed of syntax suggestions. An autonomous agent requires native, unrestricted access to the environment where the code actually runs. Kilo establishes this footprint through a multi-interface architecture that covers VS Code, JetBrains IDEs, and the raw command line interface. The core Kilo engine connects to local GUI environments and headless terminals simultaneously. VS Code and web nodes run on an 83.6% TypeScript codebase, while JetBrains requires 12% Kotlin. The web node connects to Kilocode, an always-on cloud agent running independent of a local machine. Detaching the underlying agent logic from any single proprietary IDE ensures that workflows remain intact, regardless of vendor constraints. An effective agent exists as a continuous layer bridging the local GUI and the cloud terminal. Executing complex software engineering tasks requires a division of labor into specialized cognitive roles, rather than pushing everything through one generalized prompt. The process begins with the plan agent, tasked with designing the system architecture and writing implementation steps before any code generation starts. The code agent then takes that blueprint. Its scope allows it to edit and map logic across multiple interconnected files simultaneously. This maps the execution loop, enabling the code agent to verify its work. It moves from code generation to terminal execution, then self-checking analysis. If the terminal registers an error, a self-correction pass routes failure data directly back to the code generation node. This gives the agent direct sensory input. Through browser automation and terminal control, it observes the exact compile errors and visual regressions an engineer would. For read-only tasks, the Ask agent queries the codebase statefully, retrieving specific architectural information without modifying any files. When dealing with systemic failures, the debug agent operates in isolation to trace issues across the entire stack. Finally, the review agent enforces strict parameters on the output, auditing for security vulnerabilities, checking style compliance, and adequate test coverage. Within a single workflow, these specialized agents rapidly pass context payloads back and forth in a tight sequence. Standard zero-shot generation relies on getting the output correct on the first attempt. This pipeline assumes initial failure and iterates until the tests pass. Consistently shipping production code requires this strict pipeline of specialized cognitive operations. Locking a development pipeline to a single large language model creates immediate constraints on speed and reasoning capacity. Kilo addresses this with a model-agnostic framework, actively routing discrete tasks across a registry of over 500 different models. This dynamic routing matrix demonstrates the process. A complex engineering task splits into modular components, routed to the best-suited model. The resource-intensive plan phase routes to high-parameter models like Claude Opus 4.7. Localized syntax execution delegates to fast models like Gemini or GPT 5.5. Operating this routing matrix remains viable because users pay the exact model provider's API rate with zero markup. Positioned directly beneath this model router is the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. The MCP registry operates as the extensibility layer, enabling the system to interface directly with external APIs, community tools, and proprietary datasets. Wiring up these external tools provides the agent with direct access to live data and external APIs, allowing it to interact with the broader environment outside the local codebase. Decoupling the reasoning engine from the underlying platform ensures that engineering teams can map the most efficient model directly to their immediate bottleneck. In a live environment, the multi-interface topology, the specialized agents, and the dynamic routing matrix converge into a single execution pipeline. This returns us to the headless CICD server, executing the kilorun-auto command on a failing Palm request. Because of the shared interface architecture, the CICD environment operates with the exact same codebase context as the developer's local machine. The second the test suite registers a failure, an automated trigger spins up the plan and code agents simultaneously. The system reads the stack trace with a heavy reasoning model to diagnose the core issue, then pulls a fast execution model to push the syntax fix. Through the terminal sensory loop, the system autonomously reruns the build commands, verifying the patch iteratively until the tests pass. As the final step, the review agent validates the entire sequence for security vulnerabilities before finalizing the CI/CD job. This overlay sequence shows the complete architecture in motion. The interface map, execution loop, and model router compress into a unified, closed-loop CI/CD workflow. Relying on automated scripts in a production environment requires this precise configuration of specialized oversight, routing efficiency, and protocol access. Engineering workflows are increasingly defined by active execution rather than passive suggestion. Through this modular architecture and tool integration, Kilo provides a framework for autonomous software production.